Hi Ryan, this is Nikki. I spoke to Courtney on the phone and promised this quick video, so here it is. Let's take a look at your homepage. I see this beautiful picture, and more beautiful pictures over here, and fill out form. So let's see if your pictures, how it is saved. So it says gallery 1, gallery 2. So what you can do is save these photos with good keywords such as garage doors, or garage door Hawaii's. That's gonna help. Also, I would make this phone number bigger, or even give some color to it, or have it right on top right here, so your customers can find your phone number right away and start calling you. Google usually want to see between 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage. When I look at your website, I don't see enough words on your homepage. Google want to see what kind of services you provide and in what areas in detail in writing in words. The more words you have, the more you're going to look like an expert in Google's eyes. So now let's take a look at something. When someone search garage door repair in Honolulu, this is the result. I see local ads over here, regular ads, and this is the map pack area. Usually the top 3 listings, the one get a lot of work because easy to be found. And when I click this, you are 5th position, so you're really close to get on the first top 3 listing. So how do you rank on Google Pack? You can fill out as much information as possible on your Google business profile, such as your business name, phone number, description of your company. Also list your company name, phone number, address into as many directories as possible, for example like Yelp and Yellow Pages. Getting more Google reviews can also help to power up your ranking on Google Pack. So this area is what we call organic. So Yelp, some other. So you're not on the first page right now, but I found you on the second page right here. Ideally, you want to be on top 3, if not at least on the first page. So who is on the first page? So currently, Oahu Garage Doors, they're the number 1 on Google search. So let's take a look at their website. I see pictures over here, more pictures, but I don't see many content words on their homepage either. So why are they outranking you? Let's take a look at something. This is a tool we use called Ahrefs. This is your company, and this is your competitors' information. I will go over what this page can tell us really quick. UR is trust rating with Google. DR is power rating with Google. And here's the backlinks. Backlink is, let's say for example, someone has a website or blog and talk about your company, and this person also lists clickable link, and when the link is clicked, that's going to come back to your company website. That's one backlink. Lastly, let's talk about keywords. Currently you have 320 keywords, and your competitor has 164 keywords. So let's take a look. So what this page can tell me is one of your keywords, garage door Hawaii, that brings 250 traffic per month, and you position number 2. Garage doors Hawaii, 250 traffic, you position number 3. Hawaii garage doors, you're positioning as number 1 in bringing 60 traffic per month. So let's take a look at your competitor's keyword. So off garage doors, this is the keyword they're positioning number 1. Garage doors Hawaii, number 5. Garage door repair, number 3. So what I would do to outrank their website is keep your good keywords, which is Hawaii garage doors, because you're positioning as number 1. Use this keywords on the homepage by adding more contents, meaning more words, writing, or picture, and make sure to save picture with good keywords name, such as Hawaii garage door. And also garage doors. You're positioning Oahu garage doors number 10, position 6, and they are ranking on number 1. So I will add words with keyword with Oahu garage doors on your website and add to it, and that should really help start ranking your website on Google search. I hope the information I gave you today was useful, and any feedback is appreciated. Please reply back to me through email, or call me or text me anytime. Thank you.